In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to increase FPS in Fortnite Xbox Series X. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use 120Hz, 120Hz mode in Fortnite. This will work for the Xbox Series X or even other consoles like the PlayStation 5. So you will be changing from the default 60 to 120Hz, which can dramatically increase the FPS and give you a better experience. So to do this, first you have to head over to the settings of the Xbox console itself. So before doing stuff in-game, close it down, and under the general category for your Xbox settings, you will have TV and display options. In here, you can set up the resolution to whatever you prefer according to your TV or monitor, but most importantly, you can change the refresh rate. If your monitor supports high refresh rates, you will be able to choose up to 120 from here. If you don't see 120, this is because your monitors or TV's hardware is not capable of outputting 120Hz, and in that case, you will not be able to use the increased refresh rate inside of Fortnite. You can only do this if 120Hz is an option from here, and if it doesn't appear, you can either try a different cable, or you will have to switch your TV or monitor altogether. If you have a very old TV or monitor model, usually you will not be able to use these high refresh rates, so keep that in mind. With this change, you can now go inside of Fortnite itself. If you access these settings and you go over to the video category, which should be the default one, you will find 120 FPS mode. Enable this to run the game at 120 FPS. Please be aware that this depends on your TV capabilities. So like I said before, if your TV or monitor does not support high refresh rates, you will not have this option. But after you choose this and you set it to on, you will be good to go. The game will now achieve high refresh rate, which consequently means higher FPS. I hope I was able to help you on how to increase FPS in Fortnite Xbox Series X. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.